Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to the workshop, and today we're going to be installing a set of these tailgate dampener kits for the back of the Hilux. Now, I've heard relatively mixed things about these. Some people say that they don't last, some people say they're a godsend, but they weren't that expensive, and if it helps Charlotte out when it comes to dropping the tailgate in the morning, as these things are actually quite heavy for what they are, then it's worth a shot. Apparently they're meant to be very simple, just a couple of bolts, so yeah, let's go and do it. Now all this kit consists with is one little mini damper, a very cute little thing, and a selection of hardware. That's it. So in the little hardware bag we have hopefully step-by-step instructions, two replacement pins which allow you to put the dampener on, one washer and two circlips. First of all, you have to undo this bolt with a T40 Torx head. Just this one, and you need to completely remove the bolt. Next, replace that bolt with one of the supplied studs, and then tighten that with a spanner. Next, undo this bolt with a crosshead screwdriver. Thread the remaining stud through the eyelet of the cable, and put the supplied washer on the other side and thread in. And then tighten with the same spanner. With the dampener in this orientation, place onto the top pin and secure with your first circlip. Then pull the dampener down. This might be a little bit hard, you might need to thread a screwdriver through to give you a little bit more pulling action. Or what you can also do is if you remove everything from the tailgate and bring the tailgate up to the pin. Once done that, place your last circlip on. Like so. Now, that's pretty much it. The only thing I've seen which you kind of have to keep an eye on is the cable needs to be jiggered in a slight way to get it to kind of fold up with the strut rather than being forced out the way. But other than that, I've actually removed the cable on this side because it's well, it's seen better days, so I'm going to get a new set of cables. So for now, it does seem that the strut seems to be taking a bit of the weight, but the cable is getting a bit tight, so it seems to be doing the work. However, yeah, let's see in action. So yeah, simple, cheap product, tends to do the job. Only time will tell to see if it's been effective enough. So, hope that's helped. If you've enjoyed this, if you want to see more of these things, comment, subscribed, click that notification bell as well, keeps you updated with everything that goes on. Like if you've liked it, disliked it if you don't. But until then, I shall see you later.